Another firearms gear accessories review. Today I got a delivery from Walmart, and as you can see, we go. I got one open here for you. It's pretty heavy duty. Got a big old metal latch there. These things were pretty heavy for just 2 ammo cans, ladies and gentlemen. But like I said, I got them on the roll back for $8. Here's a little handle here. This big old stout latch here. Cool thing I dig about these is the rubber molded lid here. Keeps out the elements and whatnot. But yeah, these things are kind of beastie for $8. So far, so good. The fit and finish, as you can see, it's pretty good. Like I said, $8, you can't beat that for $8. So you guys need some ammo cans. Right now, $8, you can't beat that. But yeah, we'll see how these things hold up the test of time. Anyway, this is Whiteboy J with your Stout-30 caliber ammo cans.